Ngidap da kajing sungkumen ka ba crowd do kata-kata bayakan ni ka film karam ngin sawan sa joy.
Dharma iyan, dharma susuyan.
Pila penarti tiani nga. Hindi kajing ik kajong pi. Kanam kala.
Arpsan Trik District Library Jawai. Kasyu kan long khatway ka ba RBG ka ba Sanbat ka ba News Poa. Try kerkui vi ngin sa kendo kompletisi won. Amen.
Unang yalam ke BJP bat MLA ke penthor umkra uba AL hek hak arpaway trik naitung ulakyar banjuba bet halur ka jingdawa jong ka cockroach Janata Party CJP ya ka jinghiar syuki jong umintri ka sarkar pedeng da ka bakhot ban penlong ya ka jing tokit ka babnya haswa ban shim ya ka no ka rai bat ikidaw ki bapenmi ya ka jing kan an habak keren syakilar thai kubor uba hek ulaong bakaseng kadon kajing sungkya kabajur hakabaya de bat kabha kamiat jongki samla puli la kade ka CJP ni ki weipat ki party ni sungkya na kabenta ki samla puli jongi ki basyakta hakanu kanu ka kampat ba kade ka kamram jongi ban pentik na bahkan umdan kanu kanu kajing ong uba hek ulaong baka sarkar kade bentip shwai ki jing shisha shwa ban shim ya karai halur ki jing dawa no akam lani halur ki jing keno ki baya de ber ki jing pendan kam palat put ya kabor persya ki samla ki bapun long jing ki ha ka baya de ber ki jing keno pendan kam da kabor persya ki samla puli ki bapun long ya ka jing ki uba hek ulaong baya ka ni kam de ban ha ka sarkar pedeng bat ka long ka badan kam ban kmi banya ya ka jing long jing man ha ka te ka jaka Ailat ikibor badikmi bakin pensisha shwa ka kaman ka bakongsan. Hadian kata ka sarkar kan shimi gesin jam ki badan kam. Kibor jong ka an, kidei banjurib benya ya ka kabala jiha madan ulaong. Ula benram maka jing penram klam kanu kanu saki kamlong kebasyong nongrim. Hashwa bangin ajinga ro ne penram ya no, ngidan kam shwa bantim ya kijing shisha. Kajing tokit kadi kajing kit kli jong ka sarkar ulaong. Ulakin tu iki ba bakin pej ru iki benta ki babha ha ka bayad day bat kasan syar kadar ki ba ki tang ya ka babakla ni day ru ban pej iki benta ki babharu habangi pentrekam ya ki no ki kam penroy ne policy kade ban ajing mentoy ki ba ong ubaheng
Ngidap da kajing sungkumen ka ba crowd do kata-kata bayakan ni ka film karam ngin sawan sa joy.
Dharma iyan, dharma susuyan.
Pila penarti tiani nga. Hindi kajing ik kajong pi. Kanam kala.
Arpsan Trik District Library Jawai. Kasyu kan long khatway ka ba RBG ka ba Sanbat ka ba News Poa. Try kerkui vi ngin sa kendo kompletisi won. Amen.
See, if you ask me about the CJP, I'm not concerned for which organization and which political party. It has their own opinion and statement. But we all are concerned of our students. Our student is affected. So for a student cause, for any cause which is related to our interest of the people, it is our duty and responsibility to ensure that there should not be any problem. See, for demanding for anybody resignation, actually they have to see first what is the main issue of the problem. The main issue of the problem, after they have done their own verifications and all, so whatever I think the decision will take, the government they will take the appropriate action. No, if you ask me, we leave it to the wisdom of the union government to take the appropriate action, whatever the issue has been happened. See the duty of law and order also have to be physically verified in the spots. We don't know what kind of the situations there. Before we appreciate or condemn anybody, we should know first the physical situations that what is happening there. As a duty, as a responsibility of any government, they have to we have to do inquiry on this. They cannot just like we have to without inquiry to find the fact finding. So we have to have the fact finding, no. Statement without verifying the fact, we cannot condemn like that. We have to find the fact, no. Before we say anything against you also or anybody also, we have to find the facts. Without fact, we cannot just talk on the air. See, people are looking only on the some negative part. You have to see the positive part also when we are doing the development, when you are doing any policy, you are whatever policy we are giving, it has to be, should be benefit the people.